In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add scrolling anchor tags in Framer. The first thing you will need to do is identify and select the frame or section of the project you wish to scroll to. This choice is entirely based on how you want your project to navigate or appear. Once you have determined and selected your desired section, you will need to look towards the right-hand Properties panel. Within this panel, you will locate an option called Scroll Section. To activate it, you will need to simply click on the plus icon found next to this option. After you have successfully enabled the scroll section, it is important to give this scroll section a descriptive and relevant name. The name could be Features, Contact, or any other term that describes the content you would be scrolling to. The naming creates a more organized and user-friendly environment for you and anyone else who interacts with the project. The next step involves choosing an element in your project that will act as the link. This could be a button, a line of text, or any other element within your project that you can attach a link to. Select the element that best suits your needs and your project's style. Now, to make that element work as an anchor, go back to the Properties panel and find the Link settings. In the Link To drop-down menu within these settings, you'll need to select the current page where your scroll section is located. This action will make the Target drop-down menu appear, giving you the capacity to link the element to the scroll section. You should select the name of the scroll section you had created in the previous steps from this drop-down menu. Now that you have linked the element to the scroll section, you can add some quirky features to make the navigation smoother. If you want the transition to be animated and fluid, you can enable the Smooth Scroll feature. If you want to account for certain design elements, like a fixed navigation bar, adjust the offset Y accordingly. The final step involves testing your newly created anchor link. For this purpose, click on the Play or Preview button. You should now see your linked element scrolling smoothly to its designated section. Here you have it, a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to add scrolling anchor tags in Framer. With some practice, you will master this skill in no time at all. Happy scrolling, my friends!